Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and I am so glad to be on this channel right now because I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Do I got my key? Do I got my key? Okay. Key, wallet, mask. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's watching this video, those who have subscribed, and those who will be subscribing after watching this video. Yes, so as you can see, my hair is cut. We cut the hair again, but we only really cut the hair because I really just need all this to get even, so we just was cutting up the hair. Right now I am literally getting ready for an interview. I wasn't even aware I had an interview today because I just been applying for a bunch of jobs like crazy, but I have an interview today, so that is very, very good news because the original job that I applied for, I have not heard from them. I did get hired, but it's very like nerve-wracking because I have all these questions, and when you have anxiety and OCD, you just want everything to go right, and you know, not all the time things are gonna go right, but for the most part it is making me a little crazy because it's a lot going on. It's also Thanksgiving Eve. I need to go to the store to get all the food that I will be cooking for Thanksgiving dinner because nobody else can cook in my family. So yes, my grandma, she passed away 2 years ago, and being that she passed away and she's the monarch of the family, she cooked. She cooked everything. She did all Thanksgivings, all Christmases, like she cooked. And it's very hard working with a family and cousins who don't really know how to cook. And no offense y'all, but y'all don't throw down how my grandma taught us to throw down. So, and I'm not including my cousins from the south because they really know how to cook, I guess. I don't know, I haven't had their cooking yet. I did, and it was good. But yeah, so I'm actually gonna go to the store after this. I need to go to the shop as well because again, with everything being last minute, everything on me, as I explained, everything falls on me. Marissa does everything. So it's just like I have to go to the shop to see if I have any clients. I did not schedule clients today. I have one appointment, but I really don't have to do that appointment, okay? Because it's a friend. So it's like, do I really need to do that appointment? Because in reality, I don't need to do that appointment. That's wasting my time. So I'm gonna get ready for this interview. I will let you all know how it goes. For the most part, I am nervous, but I'm really excited as well because this was very unexpected, and I always feel like unexpected things are the best things. So I'll see y'all in the field. Okay, so I am currently in the shop right now. I did have one client. I'm waiting to see if I have another client, but I did not have the interview yet. I know y'all are like, girl, what's going on? But I didn't have the interview yet. I'm waiting on that. And then right now I'm just watching Grey's Anatomy. So we did a little cleanup in here. It's very, very clean, very together, very COVID friendly. And again, if you don't know, my books will be open for the rest of the end of the week in January. Look out for some dates, y'all, because it's about to get real. It's about to get real. But other than that, I am gonna have this interview in about 30 minutes. So once I have the interview, we'll get it together. But when you're an entrepreneur, it's not one of those things where it's like, oh, I'm doing one thing and that's it. No, it's like several different things that you're doing, and you know, it's constant talking to people. I'm about to go out there and put this sign back up in a second, but it really is like a lot, okay? It really is. But yeah, you just want to really have different means of income. Like if one's not going right, you want another one. If another one's not going, you want another one. I stay busy because that's when I know, okay, things are working out, until I get to that point of having residual income, because residual income is the goal. So for now, I'm gonna finish watching Grey's Anatomy. I just finished cutting some eyebrow strips. Oh, someone I can't see. But I just finished cutting some eyebrow strips. Like, you literally want to just make sure you're always stacked with strips, because I literally will have people coming in, can I get my eyebrows done? Can I get this thing? And I don't have strips. And I'm like, oh, can you wait? So no. So you want to make sure your strips are ready, your wax is warm, and you're ready to go. And then I'm gonna go and get my car fixed. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, so you're, oh shit. Okay, so I just left Stop and Shop. It is getting crazy out here. I wanted to show y'all more. Damn, nigga. Hold up. Hi. Hello. You want to hit your car? Shit. Right, I'll leave the fucking car right there. Roll the window down. Get the right one down. I said, you didn't see behind you? You was about to hit me.
I didn't see the car. No, I didn't.
No, you didn't see me. Me. Did you see me behind you, not the car?
I am so sorry.
All right, now you have a great evening. I didn't want you to get, hit your car, all that. No, you good. I didn't want you hitting your car. Watch out for my car now, backing out. Shit. Right. Have a good one. I don't play that. Y'all know I don't play that, okay? So we about to get to the house. And we about to get this cooking shit started. I got some people in the kitchen right now. And they better hurry on up and get up on out of there. All right, now I'll see you when I get in the house. Back. Good morning. It is officially Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. But right now I am pretty much finishing the cooking that I needed to do for my family. I literally stayed up until about 3 o'clock last night, finished everything. Right now I'm pretty much just cooking, frying the chicken, and this is pretty much it. I'm gonna put some cornbread in the oven, and that's it. I made yams, mashed potatoes, collard greens, macaroni salad. What else did I make? You made a bunch of stuff in here for yesterday, a bunch. But something different about this year is pretty much we're not doing a turkey. Well, I didn't do a turkey, but my cousins bought a turkey. So that is different because nobody really wants turkey this year, or ham. So I didn't cook any pork, any red meat, just chicken. But I do want to say, because it's Thanksgiving, let me put this down so I can tell y'all what I'm thankful for. Yeah, okay, that's a lot of Okay, you all can't see me really. I like to hold it up. So pretty much it's Thanksgiving. I just want to say I am so thankful for my friends, my family, most importantly my family, honestly. With everything that's going on, they've just been the greatest support system ever, and I can't be more blessed than that. And you know what, just being grateful. I'm just very grateful what God has placed in my path and everything that's coming to fruition for me, and I'm really just grateful for that. That is what I'm grateful for today, being alive, breathing, and you know, people are healthy, and that's all we really could be grateful about today. Like, what else could you be grateful about? Okay, like with everything going on in the world, COVID, you know, people just getting sick out of nowhere. And I'm watching Grey's Anatomy right now, which makes me really, like, really sentimental and emotional. But it's a really good show, so if you guys haven't watched it, go watch the show. But anyway, again, I am just most grateful. So I will see you all in a few. I'm gonna finish up this cooking, and then we're gonna start this Thanksgiving. Okay. This is my uncle.
What kind of phone is that? Hey!
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, y'all.
This is my great uncle, guys. So
I ain't no great uncle.
you are my great uncle.
Oh yeah, that's right.
This is my grandmother's brother.
Yeah, I'm great.
Hold on, I'm introducing the vlog to my uncle.
Right, I'm about to throw the car. I'm driving right now. Put up in the car.
What they doing over there? You got them too?
You ruined the game.
I was trying to play King.
I put my cards away.
You're not being great sports.
Emily.
I know, where's Tasha at?
So do you want to say anything to my vlog? This is my going away vlog to Atlanta.
What you call it, vlog?
My vlog. Hold on. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I gotta get your I gotta get your face.
She's one of my favorite nieces, a great niece, and she does a lot of work, and she's a good worker, and she graduated with flying honors.
Don't be talking about that, because no, I didn't. You know, I really just got through school with the 1-2.
But that's what you want. Yeah, but that.
No, keep it real.
Okay, all right. Okay. And we wish her for the best. I know she could do it. If progress is at hand. She's been doing progress. An example, she's done progress in the past. So if she could do it in the past, she could do it in the future, or in the present, whatever you want to call it. But she's good, and we wish her the best. And I know she's going to progress well, and God bless her.
God bless her. Yeah. But this is one of my favorite uncles. But he is.
Yeah.
Oh, you can get some of your own.
I have many uncles. But
Juice, exactly. Corona.
What up?
With it.
hey, say hi to the vlog. Wave to the vlog. Wave. She want to be here so bad. Wait. Oh. Okay.
You may be a fan.
And hold on, let me turn you up.
That's the loudest microphone going.
Okay.
Put it on the speaker.
That's my favorite player too.
I'm getting on my nerves now. Now through God's glory again that we are all together once again in spirit and in the mind. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for letting our family be together once again. Even though the ones that passed on, we learn from them. But keep the love in our heart towards our family. I ask you, Heavenly Father, to watch all over us as we get happy together, to share each other's memories and share each other's love. And in the name of Jesus, we pray. We pray every day for your forgiveness and for you, Lord, to take care of us. In the name of Jesus, we pray. Amen.
I just want to say I'm grateful for, everyone that's here right now. I'm just grateful for how our family has just been showing up for each other these past few years, because these past few years has been very hard. And I'm just grateful that my mom can be here in spirit and here in physical, the way we are with technology here, because, there's been many Thanksgivings where whether she was in a program or not here, but she's here. And I'm just grateful for my family, my sisters, my friends, and I'm grateful for you, Javon, definitely. And all of my cousins, you all play a major part in my life, but you play a major part in this family because of the things that we've been through. But I'm just very emotional because I'm going to miss everybody. And I just hope you guys enjoy this dinner and just please stick together and continue to be a family and just, again, stick together, because I just feel like once I leave, everyone's going to disappear. But just don't disappear. I know, still. But okay.
Okay, I'm thankful for my life. Next.
I'm proud of all of us, but more importantly, I'm actually happy for Marissa, because Marissa's like me. Marissa's she's like my little daughter, but more so, Marissa's a hustler. Marissa's gonna make it. And Marissa's not really make it. So Marissa know I got her back no matter what. I might talk shit to her, but Marissa ain't gonna feel, because she got me in the corner. So at the end of the day, we all gonna make it. So I'm proud of all of us, and I love everybody here.
I'm glad I'm here today, and I'm very grateful for my sister Marissa, and I'm really, really proud of you. And I know you're gonna be great when you leave. I love you, Marissa.
I love you too, Kyla. And I'm so proud of Kyla. Oh my gosh. It's like Kyla wants to just be this woman, and it's like, okay, be this woman, but with my little sister.
Marissa, my other favorite cousin, don't cry. But you're the best, and you're gonna do good when you leave. Hopefully you don't come back.
To a better woman. I'm thankful for everybody here. My nephew, my cousin, my brothers, everybody. I'm glad that we all can't get it together all the time, but we pull it together and we here. And definitely Marissa is going to be missed. I think you already know you're gonna do awesome. You're gonna go far. Your ambition is everything, the motivation is everything, and I love you. And I love everybody. I love you. And I love you, Tasha. My favorite.
I'm just grateful, man, to see all, you know, the siblings that, you know, what we got left. You know, it's a tough time, you know, but still, you know, keep your head up. And at least, you know what I mean, see your offspring, all my you know, great nieces doing the right thing. You know, nieces doing the right thing, nephews doing the right thing. You know what I mean? And that's a blessing. You know, they ain't incarcerated. They ain't, you know, ain't in no kind of trouble, getting shot, hospital, none of that. And that's what I'm grateful for. You know what I mean? And my nieces and nephews and great nieces doing the right thing. And I thank God for that. Amen.
Amen.
Next, what do you got?
It's a tough one.
Don't start
I
crying.
don't cry.
Yeah, we
I know
cried
we cry
tomorrow.
next week, but
Yeah.
I'm thankful for you. I'm grateful for you. You're like a sister to me. I know you're gonna be great. You're always great. You're always fine. You're always good. There's nobody else versus good. This is good. But I'm always here for you. I love you. You know that. And many blessings.
I'm grateful you're here and
It's
welcome.
only up from here. It's only up from here.
And welcome to the right. Damn, welcome
Let
to
Tasha get
the
serious.
family. This is the family. Oh,
Hold on, the most important thing though, Tasha, that you know who would be rolling right now?
A long time ago. No, I don't think so.
now wait. Wait, just wait. Yeah, there you go. I didn't even know it was gonna come this small. I'm glad it came this small. Because I thought it would be bigger. No, if it was bigger, it's like, what the fuck was I doing with that?
That shit would have been moving everywhere, actually.
Oh my gosh, my shit would have been